Hey, this is Darrell as a service for Movember, and my topic, of course, is mental health in the IT industry. Look, thanks for joining me. My topic today is about taking annual leave. And before I start on that, I just want to say that if you are struggling with mental health, I'm not a professional. I'm just here to give some advice and share some thoughts as we go. But do reach out to someone who can help, who is a professional. Now, the other motivation I have for this is because I've got a deep interest in making sure that IT pros are being served well in terms of challenged to think about their mental health. So many of us slog away and get things done, but we don't talk about the pressures. And so, one of the key things for today, as I said, is about taking your annual leave. And it's a real challenge for me right now, something that I'm facing. I have to plan my annual leave, and I've got topics that are coming up right now that are, basically, uh, yeah, well, so I wouldn't say topics, they're projects that are out there. See, I've already got mental health and issues going on, trying to think about all sorts of things at the moment. Um, the thing that I've got to plan, and I often find this, is that I want to go and take some annual leave, but I'm also quite loyal to the projects that I'm involved in. I think, well, can I really take this annual leave, or is that fear of those of us who run projects across the summer break here in the Southern Hemisphere? Do I need to make myself available and make sure that I'll just take leave at the other end of summer? And that has been my plan in the past, but hasn't always eventuated. Sometimes I don't plan that annual leave. So my tip for you really is to make sure that you take that annual leave. It's absolutely vital. Um, it looks like this stream isn't actually working, but if it is, that's great. If not, I'll try and share it a bit later. Um, yeah, so annual leave. Make sure that you take it. It's not a badge of honor if you're making it rack up and you're taking very little leave throughout the year. That's a concern. Okay, so make sure that you plan and take that, um, and that break, when you are taking that break, make sure that you're doing it in such a way that it you're not engaging with IT, that you are truly taking a break from the things that you do day to day. So often, if we take that time out and we take that rest and that break, we can sometimes be inspired and have all sorts of thoughts that help us solve problems that we've been working on throughout the year or currently through that project. So try and fight that urge to solve that problem, and truly take that annual leave. Try and do something completely different. So that's my tip. I know that I'm recording this, but it looks like it's been struggling to get out onto the Periscope. So we'll see how that works out. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.